know, with the holidays coming up, and you know, 'tis the season to be giving out Christmas presents and even buying Christmas presents for yourself. I think this list is very important. Okay, so let's talk about the luxury handbags that I'll never buy at full price. Nope, can't do it. Channel. My name is Rakeedah. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button, because it's free. It's free, and you 'tis the season. Okay, give me a Christmas present. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and let's be friends. Now, there's only one reason. Two. For real this time. There's only two reasons why I would not buy these handbags we're going to talk about at full price. Now, I like them all. I made sure to know, like, if somebody want to give them to me, I take them. I think they're cute. I think the quality is great. None of those regular things of why you would not spend your money on something is the reason, okay? There's two reasons. One, because the resale value sucks. The resale value sucks. And I know for most people, is it most? No, that's not fair. For some people, they don't really care about the resale value because they're a collector, or they buy their bags to wear them. Like me, I'm not a collector. I buy my bags to wear them, right? I call it a collection, but I buy my bags to wear them. And when I buy a bag, I kinda don't think about the resale value. I know you're like, ma'am, what that mean? Hold on, let me explain. This is what it means. It means I buy my bags with the intentions to wear them and keep them, right? I am not a person that's like, oh, I'm gonna get bored of my bag, so let me make sure I can sell it. That's not really my thing, right? But I ain't stupid either. Meaning, you never know how you're gonna feel a month, 2 months, a year, 3 years, whatever down the line, right? You may want to sell the bag because you have literally did a 180 on your style or on the things that you like, or maybe the designer peed you off and you like, not in my closet. There's a whole bunch of reasons, so you never know. So you want to make sure you keep that in my little bit. If you like me a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then the second reason, because if I can find something on sale, what am I buying full price for? If I can find something on sale, if I can go ahead and swipe this coupon, okay, put in this discount code, why am I do that? Why? Because I'm not. And when I say on sale at a cheaper price, I don't mean pre-loved, right? Because that's like, that's in the common sense umbrella, okay? We ain't insulting nobody over here. Obviously, with some things, because some things, even on the pre-loved market, is over retail. But for the gist of the pre-loved market, you already know you can go find a Speedy, a Neverfull, any handbag from any luxury brand for a relatively cheaper price, even if it's a couple of hundred, right? That's the whole benefit of the pre-loved market for most things, okay? But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about brand new, from the store, peeling the stickers off. Cheaper. Now you probably like, cheaper where, Rakeedah? Cheaper every, is that a, okay, that may be a little exaggeration. Everywhere. Let me, I'm gonna get into the first bag because I'm gonna give you an explanation, alright? Warning, you gonna roll your eyes. If we've been friends for a minute, you gonna roll your eyes because you like, girl, if you don't buy this bag, I promise you I'm gonna move some furniture when I see you. I apologize. Let me explain. Now, I've been wanting a medium Loulou, YSL Loulou, for forever, okay? And anytime somebody asks, even when they don't ask, I will let them know I want a YSL medium Loulou, okay? But here's the problem. I always see it on sale. Whether I'm following a Saks, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom sales associate on Instagram, and they put it on sale. Whether, you know, Saks, Nordstrom's giving out coupon codes and everything like that. Cause Saks too, they good for what they do? What they do? They do the gift card situation. Like, you spend a certain amount of money, you get a gift card, and them gift cards be high. They be high. I think I saw one, you spend $3,000, you get like a $9,000. Now you know that wasn't the truth. You spend like $3,000 and get like a $900 gift card. So it's like, oh, and then not even just the gift card. Like, they legit be on sale. Like, regular price $32, you go ahead and cop this for $23. Okay, not just from Saks, from places like My Teresa, Net-a-Porter, Farfetch. Like, I'm gonna need that on sale. I'm gonna need that on sale. And then YSL is not really great quality leather. Like, let's not play with them, okay? Great quality leather, but they're not that girl when it comes to the resale market, right? So I was also thinking about, okay, get it pre-loved, but then how I be mathing, I'm like, yeah, but I want it new for pre-loved price. Like, I don't want nobody to touch my bag, but I want to pay for it like everybody touched my bag. Okay, so a bag that I will not buy in general, probably YSL period, with the exception of their it bags, like the Care Tote. I probably wouldn't buy YSL full retail period, because again, if you get, not YSL, but if you go to department stores, if you go to authorized sellers, again, like Farfetch, Net-a-Porter, My Teresa, you can get it for cheaper. But specifically the YSL Loulou, because that's the one I want. Another handbag that I will not pay retail for, and it hurts my heart because I want one, is a Louis Vuitton Capucines. A Louis Vuitton Capucines. And you know what's so weird? You know what's so weird to me? Is that a Capucines is one of Louis Vuitton's top tier bags. Like, they say you about that money if you buy a brand new Capucines. However, the resale value on them, you gonna take a hit. Like, they gonna throat punch you. Throat. That wasn't a punch though. But you know what I'm saying? Like, your throat gonna hurt. Okay, you gonna be gasping when they take off the value of that bag when you go to resell it. It's gonna be insulting. Like, you gonna think somebody said something about your mama when they tell you how much they'll pay you for your Capucines. They resale value on the Capucines, which is weird. Yeah, weird. Because Louis Vuitton, y'all know the judge. Between Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Hermes, the resale value is pretty. You either get what you pay for or you get some more. Okay? They said not for Capucines. And it's not a fluke. It's been like that for years. So I ain't paying full price for that. I ain't paying full price for that. Somebody give me one. Okay. Another one that I want, but I ain't paying full price for. I thought about it. Because no, I take that back. I was about to say I thought about it because they're not that expensive, but that's a whole lie from the pits of hell, because I think the retail value is $28.90 on them. It's the Prada Nylon reedition. I want that bag because to me that screams casual, cool vibes. Okay, and I'm here for that. That is like 90% of my life. But first of all, I ain't paying $2,000 for nothing that got nylon in the title. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. That's problem number one. Okay. Problem number two, the bag itself. Like, I know it comes with the little, what do you call it, little coin pouch, but the bag itself is about the size of a toiletry 26. Okay. And did I say it's nylon? Yeah, I said it's nylon. You want $2,800 for, but fret a little bit. I was about to say fret not, but fret a little bit. They do go on sale. Okay, I've been seeing, especially the held hand ones, on sale. The ones that's rhinestone out, that got a little sprinkle, little sparkle to them, they go on sale too. But even the sales price, I'd be like, the devil is too less. I ain't doing it. I'm not paying. I ain't doing it. $2,000 for nothing nylon. Alright, you gonna have to give me some leather or give me some canvas monogram. Okay? I know what you're thinking. Girl, you got all these monogram canvas bags that's over 2,000. Look, Louis different. Okay? We talk about Prada. Let's stay on subject. Hey, listen. Let's just put this in a capsule. Okay? Let's just go ahead and put this under the umbrella. Gucci. And I like Gucci. But Gucci, they will laugh at your wallet. They will. They will laugh at your wallet if you try to the Gucci nothing holds resale. Okay? It's nice, it's hot, it's expensive, it's about that life when it's popular. When the certain item is hot, trending, and all that other stuff. But in general, Gucci period don't hold this value. And even some of the popular, like the monogram, the Gucci Tote, listen, they popular and they still don't hold their value. Okay, you got about 6 months to sell it to get your money back, and your time is cut off. Gucci nothing. I can't say that because I got like, wait, let me think. I ain't buy nothing second on the pre-love market. I be trying not to lie. I be talking smack, so I be trying not to lie. But actually, I don't got... Do I have anything pre-loved from Gucci? I don't. But I learned my lesson. How about that? How about nothing? That's probably a lie. If I like it, I'm going to buy it because I do like Gucci. But I'm just saying, if you want to be smart, which typically I choose not to be sometimes, nothing but Gucci holds its value. If you can get it on sale, be patient and wait. Because I promise you, somebody's essay is going to have that on sale, okay? I promise. And speaking of umbrellas, let's just go ahead and put this out there. With the exception of Louis Vuitton, do I want to say Chanel and Hermes? Let's go ahead. All right, they cousins. Let's go ahead and put them in there. With the exception of them three, don't you ever buy shoes, sneakers, shoes, heels, footwear, sandals, or leg. No. And this again, just like the Gucci, I'm a little hypocrite. I am, because I've never brought pre-loved shoes. Oh yes, I did. Right there. Where they at? Am I pointing right? I don't know. Right there. Those Louis Vuitton denim shoes. But Fashion File did say they were new. But point is, okay, I don't listen. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, I'm not saying I'm a great example all the time. Okay. But 9 times out of 10, if you're a little patient, you can get them shoes you wanted on sale. And I'm saying brand new. I ain't saying pre-love. I'm saying brand new. Your toes is the only one them soles have seen. I just said it wrong. She got force. Okay, back to handbags. Now, I kind of want this bag, but I'm not sure if it's just because every time I see it style, I think it's super cute. But the Loewe Puzzle Bag, first of all, I don't have any Loewe, right? But Loewe is everywhere. Like every time I turn on the TV, YouTube, commercial, Instagram, Loewe. I ain't hating on it. Do your thing. But the point is, the only thing handbag I've seen that I've considered from Loewe is a puzzle bag. But with a problem right here, it's always on sale. It is always on sale. Okay? And they are flooded on the pre-love market, which means people get tired of them real quick. That's what that's my math. In my mind, that's what it's translating to. If I always see them on the pre-love market, if I always see people on Facebook trying to sell them, if I always see Fashion File trying to push them on me, okay, and I think those bags retail for like $3,200, and they be selling for like $2,000. I ain't doing it. Am I gonna even need a coupon? Because it seems like people get tired of them bags real quick. But they cute though. They cute. You know another bag people got tired of real cute? What I say? People got tired of real quick. You know another bag people got tired of real quick? Is that Bottega chain bag. Which is why I still want it then. Pray for me, friend. I still want it though. Because it's super cute. I want it in that Bottega green too. Or maybe white. I don't know. But I want that bag. Now, I've always heard with anybody that's talked about that bag, that own that bag, they said that the chain makes that bag extremely heavy. Which is why people could be over it pretty quick. But, again, follow a couple of essays, a couple of Nordstroms, Bergdorf, Saks, on sale. On sale. And again, I don't mean because they have a coupon code going on, they're giving some gift card. No, I mean like on sale, clearance. Maybe it's maybe not clearance, but it's on it's on sale. So I want that bag, but yeah, it's not worth my coin full price. Okay, last bag that I want that I just could not. Okay, no, two. No, two, girl. What was you thinking? It's two of them, but they from the same fashion house, Fendi. The Fendi Peek-a-boo, right? And the Fendi, stop playing, what's it, it go right here, stop playing, what it go, Fendi First bag. Listen, y'all have heard me say this before. I want that Fendi First bag in that cognac color. But then when I was trying to wait, because I want the cognac color, but you know, I got a lot of cognac, monogram is close to brown, got a lot of it. So I was like, let me see, because I noticed it was going to be a permanent collection when it first dropped. So I was like, maybe a leather, a style, a print, or whatever come out that's a little different than the cognac. But then as I was waiting, they were dropping new colors, prints, and all that other stuff. But I was also noticing they was going on sale, and they reflect the pre-love market. So I'm like, wait a minute, hold up, okay. So I don't know about that. I still want one. I gotta think about it. I gotta think about it, friend. I might need y'all help. What y'all think? And then a Peek-a-boo. Now, I'm trying to tell the truth. I only want a Peek-a-boo when I see it. I only want a Peek-a-boo when I see it. Because when I see it, I think it's super cute. Especially when somebody styles it. Oh, I think it's super cute. But when I ain't looking at it, I don't want it. But I am kind of shocked that it goes on sale and it doesn't hold its value. Because like that's one of Fendi's classic staples, old money type bags. It kind of reminds me of how the Louis Vuitton Capucines don't hold that. Like that's one of your staple old money type bags. Like what we doing that it's not holding its value? I just don't understand. Okay, good people, that is it. Those are all the bags that I do want. I think are super cute. You know what I'm saying? I'll take them. Somebody give them to me, but I can't pay full price. I can't. And I know you're like, girl, well, if you see them on sale, why you ain't just get them on sale? Because even the sale price still be up there. It still be up there. Okay? And taking into consideration the sucky resale price, I ain't ready. I ain't ready. Like the medium Loulou, it retails for like $3,200. I be seeing it on sale for like $24 to $28. I want it for about $16. I want it for about $1,600 to $2,000. That's what I want it for. You know, brand new. Okay. And I know you like, girl, you just keep praying on that. I am. Okay. Prayers get answered. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me on the daily. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Rakeedah's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!